Have you been experiencing strange symptoms like fatigue, mood swings, and trouble sleeping? If so, it's a good time to give it some thought since too much estrogen could be responsible. Your body's hormones are like a seesaw. When they're perfectly balanced, your body works as it should. But when they're unbalanced, you may begin experiencing problems. These are 9 alarming signs which show that you have an estrogen dominance. Number 1 on our list is swelling and tenderness in your breasts. Numerous ladies feel changes in their breasts during their cycle and pregnancy because the bosoms are exceptionally delicate to hormones. If you experience sore chests, or if you've seen that they're swollen more than expected, this can be because of high estrogen. On number 2, we have weight gain. Estrogen impacts your mental state and feelings. Having excess body weight can result in a higher amount of estrogen due to the fact that fat tissue produces estrogen. Number 3, mood swings or stress. Stress increases cortisol levels. When cortisol levels remain consistently high, this hormone can deplete progesterone levels, which can have a knock-on effect on estrogen. Number 4, alcohol consumption. Drinking alcohol excessively raises estradiol levels and makes it harder for the body to metabolize estrogen. Number 5, hair loss. Typically, this is a male issue, yet when you produce a lot of estrogen, you may start shedding hair more than you ordinarily would. This can cause even more burdensome state. In some case, you ought to recollect that number of lost hairs depending on your way of life as well. Number 6, medication. Some medications may elevate estrogen or suppress progesterone. Number 7, irregular menstrual period. It should be a vital sign for a woman when her period has consistently been on time and unexpectedly arrives late or early. The feminine period is carefully controlled by the levels of hormones in your body, and if there is an imbalance in one, the whole feminine time frame can fall. Number 7, you feel exhausted all the time. If you experience difficulty resting, you may feel tired all the time. This is normal. In any case, if you've seen that you are worn out more than expected and your way of life hasn't changed, it can be a warning sign that you need to check on your hormone levels. Last but not least, number 9, trouble sleeping. Unreasonable estrogen can also cause specific rest issues. You may be too talkative or not capable of sleeping, or in the adverse, you may feel lethargic constantly. Focus if your dosing propensities have changed abruptly with no convincing explanation or change in stress levels. To wrap it up, estrogen is a primary female hormone responsible for developing and regulating the reproductive system. It established gender characteristics like underhair, the growth of the breasts, and the menstrual cycle. Estrogen is one of the hormones you don't think about until there's something wrong, but it can affect your body, so you should know what to do. High estrogen levels can cause symptoms such as irregular or heavy periods, weight gain, fatigue, and fibroids in females. In males, they can cause breast tissue growth, difficulty getting or maintaining an erection, and infertility. A doctor can diagnose high estrogen levels by taking a medical history and in some cases performing blood tests. Once they know the cause, the doctor can recommend the best treatment options. The cause of the high estrogen levels will determine the treatment option. Lifestyle and dietary adjustments may reduce the amount of estrogen that the body produces or increase the amount it breaks down and excretes. However, anyone with persistent or concerning symptoms should speak with a medical professional. If you like our video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. Here are 2 more videos on the screen you should check out. They will help you achieve your health and fitness goals. See you in our next video!